Think of your favorite, authentic meal. Italian pasta, Indian vindaloo, a spicy Thai curry. Have you ever stopped to wonder where they really came from?
Welcome to SciCuriosID, where curiosity meets science.
Well, I hate to break it to you, but your dinner is a giant lie. Or rather, it's a beautiful global masterpiece that spans centuries of human history. A masterpiece created by thousands of years of people moving from point A to point B, carrying their seeds, their tools, and their memories with them. Let's start with the big one, the Columbian Exchange. This was the moment the world's menus were permanently scrambled. Imagine 1492. Before this era, Italy had 0 tomatoes. None. Not a single red fruit in sight. No pizza sauce? No marinara? It's almost impossible to imagine now. According to historian Alfred Crosby, these fruits were strictly South American. They were small, yellow, and looked nothing like our modern heirlooms. It took migration and trade to bring them to Europe. Initially, they were grown as ornamental plants because people thought they were poisonous. And it wasn't just tomatoes. Potatoes, the backbone of Northern European diets, began their journey in the high altitudes of the Andes Mountains. They marched from South America to Ireland, eventually becoming a biological building block of survival for millions of people across the continent. And those spicy Thai curries? Chilies are native to the Americas. Without migration, the spice in Asian cuisine would look and taste very different. Imagine a world without pizza sauce or spicy curry. It's dark, isn't it? Migration didn't just move people, it moved our biological menu. But it's not just the ingredients, it's the tech. The Silk Road was the original internet for foodies. It connected the East and West for millennia. Tea, silk, and spices weren't the only things traveling. Techniques like fermentation and noodle making traveled across Eurasia, shared by travelers. The debate over who invented the noodle, China or Italy, is really a story of migration. Evidence of 4,000-year-old noodles was found in China. Whether Marco Polo brought it back or it evolved independently, the movement of people ensured that the noodle became a global staple. Nature Communications notes that as humans migrated, they didn't just carry seeds, they carried knowledge. They brought their preservation methods. They carried gene flow, adapting crops to new climates, effectively hacking nature to ensure they could eat their favorite comfort foods. By selecting the best seeds in each new home, migrants helped crops evolve. This is how wild grasses became the wheat we use for bread today. Wherever they landed, they brought the taste of home with them. Every bite was a reminder of their identity, kept alive across thousands of miles. Sometimes migration is forced, and sometimes it's seeking a new start. Both change food. Take the story of Lebanese migrants moving to Mexico. Take the tacos al pastor. That rotating spit looks familiar? That's because Lebanese immigrants brought the shawarma technique to Mexico. In the early 20th century, they adapted their traditional lamb shawarma to the local ingredients. They swapped lamb for pork and added a unique twist. They added pineapple and boom, a cultural icon was born. This is cultural diffusion in its tastiest, most resilient form. As documented by the National Geographic Society, this diffusion is how cultures survive and thrive in new environments. It's beautiful. Colonialism also moved food on a massive scale. Sugar, tea, and coffee were moved across oceans, creating global dependencies and new flavors. Today, the pace is even faster. Modern migration creates fusion cuisine every single day. We are watching food evolve in real time. Think of kimchi tacos or Nikkei cuisine in Peru, the combination of Japanese techniques with Peruvian ingredients. It's a dialogue between cultures. We aren't losing authentic food. We are watching it grow. Fusion is just the newest chapter of an ancient book written by migrants. Every bite you take is a map of human history. It's a story of resilience, curiosity, and the drive to share a piece of who we are. Our plates tell the story of where we've been and who we've met along the way. Food is the ultimate human connector. So the next time you eat, ask yourself, where did this ingredient actually start its journey? What's the story behind the bite? Was it a seed carried across an ocean? A technique passed down through generations? Or a new discovery made by a curious chef? If you could only eat food native to your current continent for the rest of your life, what would you miss the most? It's a tough choice. Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more curious journeys through history. See you next time.
Thanks for watching SciCurious ID. Until next time.